Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Sunstrip time. So I've got myself a custom Sunstrip. This was made by CalsCustoms UK. I'll leave all the link. It's going to pop up here. It's going to be in the description. You can use my code CR10 if you want to. But he's basically supplied me with a Sunstrip, and I bought basically the matte black version and then some kind of decals to go with that. So we're going to fit it. I'm kind of happy with how big this Sunstrip actually is, so I'm actually going to mask it, or use masking tape to mark it, so that way I can line my new Sunstrip up the same kind of height. So we're just going to install the Sunstrip and we'll do the vinyl kind of customization in another video, but this is how you install a Sunstrip. Super simple. So obviously I would always recommend the first thing you do is clean your whole windscreen off. Because I've got my own Sunstrip here, first of all I'm going to mark the Sunstrip itself, and then I'm going to clean the windscreen around the masking tape. So I'm happy with those marks. I'm now going to proceed to basically take the old one off, clean the whole windscreen around the masking tape, and basically the tools you're going to need is like a squeegee, but I'll show you that in a second, and a very sharp knife, like a Stanley knife or something like that. Sad to be removing this, to be honest. It's been on for so long. There we go, so that is the old Sunstrip fully off. Okay, so what we're going to do is just clean the windows. I'm just using some of this crystal clear glass cleaner stuff, and like a proper glass cleaner cloth. I can't remember what these are called, but you can find them. These are proper glass cleaners rather than microfibers, and they don't leave smears, so that's pretty good. But any glass cleaner will be fine. Just clean your glass thoroughly, and then we're going to make up some kind of fairy liquid and water, just to allow the vinyl to slide. As I'm kind of going to be doing it by myself, I can't really line it up perfectly both sides, so that's the way we're going to do it. So what I'm now going to do, basically I've just mixed up a little bit of fairy up liquid in some water. Ooh, that was random. And then what we're going to do is basically soak the windscreen, and that seems a bit counterintuitive, but we're going to do that, and then we're actually going to lay the Sunstrip on top. So have your Sunstrip ready at this point. Basically, and you want to soak the surrounding areas as well. Basically all the top of it, and then obviously the sides as well. Cool, so now that's done, we're on like a time crunch now, so we need to get these Sunstrip. So here is my Sunstrip. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to peel off a small section of it, and we're going to start to lay this. I'm just going to put it fully off. beauty of this stuff is it doesn't matter how much you mess up, you can always just keep on doing it. The only thing you don't want it to happen is basically for you to like crease it all or refold it. But even then, if you applied a bit of heat to it, you could fix it. So up to this point, I'm actually just going to get my squeegee, start to get some of these air bubbles out and stuff. I'm actually just going to make a little bit of water onto this side. As you can see, we're pretty much there now. I'm just going to finish off the last little bit off camera, and then I'll show you how to cut it. So as you can see, it's now fully on. I'm going to use a Stanley blade to basically do this because I know this is brand new and sharp. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to find the gutter in between the window and the paintwork, and obviously avoid cutting your paintwork. This is the scary bit. As long as you follow the window gutter, you'll be fine. And obviously don't push all the way in, just push in a little bit, just enough to cut the vinyl. We're going to start at the middle, work our way along the top, get rid of some of that excess, and then work our way down the edges. Once again, find that line. Just slide your knife in, and then just run it along the top of the glass. I'm just going to get the blade, run it along the glass, and basically just want to start cutting away. If it feels like it's tugging, just stop for a second, make sure you clean your blade of any like residue and stuff like that, and then go again. I would always recommend starting a bit further back. Starting to meeting your original line. And that is how you cut the top line. And I'm just going to go around the corner. Once again, to get your blade nice up against the glass. Go around the corner. And then for this bit, you just need the squeegee. Push it all into here. So make sure that's fully in there. and then I normally prefer to cut up towards my original cut. I just slip myself, but some people prefer to slice downwards. So I'm going to try slicing downwards this time. That's the worst that could happen, right? As you can see there, I've got a little bit of a lip, so I'm just going to go back over it again. Obviously it's always best that you cut too little than too much. Cool. Once you've cut enough on that edge to tuck it under, once again just get this squeegee, tuck it under there, and you should be all good to go. And that is how you install a Sunstrip. So we're going to remove this, going to let it set a little bit, maybe go back over it once more and squeegee, but that's how it's done. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, favorite, subscribe. I'll add my customization to like a different video, but yeah, hope you guys liked it.